Oh, wow. Dude, that's rotating. That's a freaking funnel. Dude, that is really not... Holy shit. Yeah! This is freaking crazy. There was just a funnel cloud right over there. Holy fuck. Yeah, that was a funnel cloud. That's dissipating. Oh, damn, there's one right over there. Hit the building. It hit the building right over there. Holy fucking hell. I'm out in an empty field right now. Just saw funnel clouds, really close lightning. I'm trying to get over to the shopping center, which is just over here. And I'm really afraid I'm going to get hit by lightning because a lot of them are starting to come really close to me. So, I'm just really trying not to get in too much danger, which I really am in right now. So, wish me luck.